Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's in this video I tell about really good job opportunity, that is MDoc off campus drive hiring freshers for BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA 2021 candidate for the post of software engineer. So guys, in this video I tell about really good job opportunity, those candidates who are searching for the job. So this is very good opportunity, so watch the video carefully. In this video I tell about all the information, who is eligible, how can apply for this post, what is salary details, all the information. So watch it carefully. So first, see eligibility criteria. First criteria is if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech and your branch is CSE, ENTC, IT and Electronics and Computer, and MCA 2021 batch student can apply. Means if you are completed your BE, BTech, ME, MTech in CSE, means Computer Science, Electronics and Telecommunication, IT, Electronics and Computer and MCA 2021 batch student can apply for this post. And guys, only 2021 pass outs are eligible, other batches are not eligible. Third criteria is no year can down, means no any kind of gap is available in the education, so you can eligible. Should not have attended MDoc aptitude technical test in last 1 year, means you have not participated in MDoc aptitude technical in last 1 year, so you can, if you are not participated, then you are eligible. These are the eligibility criteria. Guys, watch it carefully. See, location is of Pune and you get CTC 4 LPA. This is very good opportunity, guys. Grab that opportunity if you are eligible. So main thing is how to apply for this post. Before that, guys, if you not subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel, because on the daily basis I makes the video on new job update, latest recruitment process. This is very helpful video those candidates who are looking for the good opportunity. And also see my previous video, there all the hirings, all the Accentures, Infosys, all the vacancies are available for the all the students for all the fields. So see the previous video also, likes my video and join our Telegram channel. You get all the details on that Telegram channel. So how does the selection process has happened? So as all the online tests will be happen through the virtual mode, means guys, where online test is a online virtual mode, so company will send the test invite as when we will receiving the candidate details. Means when you register for that post, so you get one email or invitation mail of the online test on your mail. All the test clear candidate, means if you clear the test, interview either on 7 August or 8 August through video interview platform. Means if you clear that online test, then the interview is on 7th August or 8 August through the online mode. So how to apply? So guys, you get all the links in description box, so find all the links. There one link is available, click here apply to for MDoc. So click on that link. You directly go to the Google form of the company, so you can fill that form, and after that, means I already fill that form, so here mention here you have already responded. So if you are not if you are register for that, so there is a all the information about you, your name, email ID, so fill all the information and submit that form. You successfully register for that drive. So guys, this is very good opportunity those candidates who are searching for the job, so grab that opportunity, study hard. Hope you guys you get all the information of this drive. If you have any kind of doubt, any kind of question, then drop a message in comment box. I definitely help you. Guys, here mention because I already registered for that drive, so here mention here you already responded. So if you are first time register for that, so you so there is a one form is open in front of you. Don't panic for that situation. Thank you and all the best.